Guys, welcome back to the channel. So now, as I predicted the other day in my last video, we had a nice little run up in here. When we come down here, we didn't get the touch on this trend line, this red trend line. Now, that's kind of like a reverse fake out to me. Instead of having it punch down and come back up, we had a not touch. And when we have that not touching, that's almost the same thing. And then we have basically a little bit of a bull run up here, but it's basically a bull trap. And then, of course, it comes down and it finally touched this line. As I said in my last video, I wouldn't take a trade until we see something above this green line, or good confirmation above this green line, or a drop through this trend line that touches this red. And just like we talked about, we got to touch on this red. So now there's a little bit of a green candle here. There's not much to go on as far as a confirmation. So I'm going to wait for a confirmation. This could just be a little dead cat bounce and then further down, which is what I'd like to see some cheaper alts. But this could come up, maybe bounce off this green, then come back down and get trapped in this area and come down. There's a lot going on, a lot of price action right in here with these trend lines, the green and the red, and also the blue support and resistance lines. So there's a lot going on right here, but I'm going to wait for a confirmation. To me, the easiest trade to take was if it just broke down and hit here, then I would take the trade as a short and come down and ride it on down. If it kind of bounced up, it could bounce off this green line, it could bounce off this blue line, and we don't really know exactly where. We'd have to get another confirmation through the green and through the blue, and then a confirmation somewhere around here before I would take a long. But if we did get a long, we'd be looking at somewhere maybe around 38,000, 39,000. Short, it's hard to say. Once we get past this 30,000 mark, it should be an easy short to about 30. But then we have to see, once we get to 30, is it going to break down or is it going to bounce back up? So that's it for today, guys. Just want to jump on real quick and give you an update on that. Had a nice breakdown overnight. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe. Appreciate it.